Welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I have got to show you this digital collection. Oh my gosh, it's designed by Kimmy Murray. She is Salty Beach Scrapper Designs on Etsy. And oh my gosh, guys, this I printed out on just I think it's cardstock. It's the heavier weight cardstock, but I just wanted to show you how gorgeous it looks even just on printer paper. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. So let me show you the paper collection I have used to print it out. I have used 65-pound white cardstock. This is the Recollections that we get at Michael's. So this is what I used to print out this gorgeous kit. So here I chose, my printer doesn't do 12 by 12. She's got 12 by 12, 8 by 8, 6 by 6. And I chose the 8 by 8 file. So this is the first page, and I've already cut it down to 8 by 8. And actually it's a little bit wider than 8 by 8. But oh my gosh, guys, this is gorgeous. So right here it shows you all the all the pages that come in the collection. Beautiful collection, guys. So that is the first page. Now the second page, and of course the back is just a solid white, because I didn't do the two-sided. I guess you could do that on your printer, but I chose not to. So this is her cut apart page, and isn't that just so pretty? I mean, look at those colors. They are gorgeous. Those are so cute. Guys, what I love about the digital collection is that you can print out just what you need, and multiples of what you need. I love that. So this is her first page. Look at these beautiful witches. I mean, they are gorgeous, beautiful witches. And so this is her first page. Beautiful. And this is the second page. I think I put them all in order. So this is the second page, which would be essentially the back of this one. So it would be that way, and then you'd flip it over and it would be, this would essentially be the back. So, and this is the next one. And I just love that spooky haunted house, and because it's a spooky haunted house, but it's not scary spooky. That is cute. The ghosts here, it's just all so adorable. And then this would be the back, and look at these skeleton guys. They are so cute with their top hats, and I just love that page. And then here is this girl with all the butterflies and these symbols. They're just so pretty. Love the colors that she used. And this is essentially the back. So here is the next witch. She is so pretty. And she's got the black birds or the crows, or I don't know what you call those, with the little witch hats on there. The little flowers with the eyeballs, and the coffin with the chain. Very pretty. And here is the back part, which would not have the witch on there. And then here is the black cat with his love potion sitting on a couple of books. And then it's got witch hats all, on the background. And I love the ombre color, the effect that it has here. And of course, it's got the half moon in the background, just so pretty with the flowers and the leaves. And here is this page without the black cat in the corner. So we don't have to feel bad about covering the cat, because it's got this page on there. And then it's got this one with the cauldrons on there, and the flowers and the butterflies and the books. Very pretty. And then of course the page without the main image on there. So guys, this is so cool. I just love this collection. But it also comes with a couple of pages. I did not cut these down. This is her, it's got a bonus on there, and this is her memory decks page, and it's got all these images. And I rarely use my brother's scan and cut, but I thought, well, you know, let me give this a try. So let me show you what it looks like out of the brother's scan and cut. I was able to cut all the images. It wanted to cut out the letters individually, but I didn't want that, so I opted to leave that one on there. But here are the images that my brother scan and cut cut for me, and they came out really good. And I would imagine this is the back. Oh, this is probably the back of you know, the memory decks card. Very nice, or at least that's the way I would use it, as the back of the memory decks card. And then the butterflies and the pumpkins, they all cut out really nicely, and I was impressed. So I don't know exactly how to use a brother scan and cut, because I've had it for over a year now and I really just don't play with it. So it did cut. It was off-centered, and I don't know if it needs to like be calibrated or anything, but I can deal with that. I don't have a problem with that. So that is the way that page cut out. And then it does have an ephemera page that looks like this. And so I also used my brother's scan and cut for this page. And let me show you how that looks. So this is the way, this is the you know, the negative, of course. I didn't want to recognize these images. It was gonna cut really funky, so I just opted to leave those out along with my broom. If this is all I have to fussy cut, I'm doing good. So if you'll see right here, this is the image that I opted to leave for the machine to cut. But as you can see, it didn't pick up all the lines, so it didn't cut quite as well as fussy cutting would have. But again, if these images are the only ones that I have to fussy cut, I am on board. So here are the images that my machine cut out for me. And look at this flower. Isn't that rose just gorgeous? The eyeballs. And once I cut the other pages, I'll have, you know, of course, more ephemera here. And this is the way this one came out. It didn't actually cut all the way through, and I saw that, but I thought, well, I can just snip that off. So I went ahead and let the machine cut it for me. So I'm just going to snip right there, and we are good. There are those. Here's the skeleton. And you don't have to do anything to these guys. She has done it all. You know, she sizes it. I mean, you don't have to do anything other than download it and print them out and either fussy cut or put them through your machine and have your machine cut them. But look how great that is. I mean, with how much work. It was minimal work, and I've got all the ephemera that I need that goes along with the collection. So overall, I am so excited. I rarely ever buy anything that you have to print, because I didn't have a printer, you know, with the ink subscription. But for my birthday, my oldest son gave me some money. So I bought a printer, and my husband filled in for the rest. But he paid the bulk of the printer, and I am just loving it, because I know that if my ink starts to run low, they are going to refill it for me. And I'm so excited. So guys, I am going to put the links that you need in the description box. And just so you know, The paper or the collection is on sale through tomorrow, and I'll put that in the link as well. It is half off, so I'm gonna put the all the links you need to get this collection for half off, which is amazing. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you go visit Salty Beach Scrapper Designs on Etsy and show your support for a small business. This is, I think, her third collection. And yeah, guys, we got to support each other the best that we can. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. Hope you go and get that kit. Thanks a lot, guys.